Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn lead forms with GoHighLevel. This integration is incredibly powerful because it automatically captures leads from your LinkedIn ads and imports them directly into your GHL account, saving you time and ensuring no potential customer slips through the cracks. Let's start by opening GoHighLevel in your web browser. Simply navigate to GoHighLevel, and sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or businesses. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the GoHighLevel dashboard. From here, take a look at the left navigation panel. You'll need to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this menu. At the bottom, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on it to access the main configuration area where all your account integrations and preferences live. Now that you're inside the settings menu, scroll down through the available options until you spot one named Integrations. This is the hub where GoHighLevel connects with all the external apps and platforms you use to run your business, from email marketing tools to CRM systems and social media platforms. Click on Integrations and you'll be presented with a list of all the apps and software that GoHighLevel supports. This list can be quite extensive, so you may need to scroll down to see all the available options. GoHighLevel offers integrations with dozens of popular platforms, making it easy to centralize your workflows. For this tutorial, we're focusing on LinkedIn. Scroll down through the integration options until you find LinkedIn in the list. Once you've located it, click on the Connect button next to it. This initiates the authorization process between GoHighLevel and your LinkedIn account. A new window will pop up, prompting you to sign in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and sign in. LinkedIn will then ask you to authorize GoHighLevel to access your lead forms and account data. This is a standard security step that ensures only you can grant access to your information. Go ahead and accept all the connection requests and authorization prompts that appear. Once you've authorized the connection, the window will close and you'll be redirected back to GoHighLevel. Your LinkedIn account is now successfully integrated, and any leads captured through LinkedIn lead forms will automatically flow into your GoHighLevel system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.